Hey, welcome back everybody. Last time I talked about this Aputure LS60x light, which I'm a huge fan of. And I mentioned that they make this LS60 softbox, which is like an 18-inch kind of square shaped softbox. So I thought we'd talk about that today. So I'm going to show you what's in the package, how it comes, how to set it up, and then the good, the bad, and the ugly about it, I guess. So let's just first talk about it. It comes in this really nice small case. It does break down really small, but it does take you a minute to put this thing together, okay? So let's look inside. Velcro top. Inside you're gonna get this metal ring, which is important component to know about. This is not a Bowens mount, so if you're familiar with using Bowens mount on your other lights, this is not a Bowens mount. This uses Aputure's little mini mount for the smaller lights like the LS60X. So even though the 60X does come with a Bowens adapter, its native mount is this specific small mount from Aputure. So you got to know this softbox is not going to work with every one of your Bowens mount style lights. Comes with, of course, diffusion material. A couple different ones, right? You're going to get the shell of it that comes with these rods that are already kind of installed, or at least mine was. This silver inside reflector material is the way it comes. And then you're going to get a grid that you can use also. I sometimes use grids, but I don't often always use grids, I guess. Let's put this thing together. You'll see this with these little holes, and that's where obviously this goes together. Make sure your Velcro is apart on this stuff. It's just kind of like managing a nightmare because these rods have a tendency to fall out. But if you keep them kind of in the corners, keep them kind of pushed down, hope they stay in place. You're going to put the first one in, and then you're going to realize that these have to flex to get into the slots. First two go pretty easy. Number three, a little bit more work. Number four, is where the magic happens. You're basically just bending it like this, sliding it into that slot. Then you get kind of this look, right? And this is what it looks like on the other end. And then you can attach your Velcro, which is just, you know, the corners of each of these rods, and you can put these together. And what you wind up with then is this little 18-inch softbox. So you're going to get these diffusion materials. There's two different levels. They're Velcro as well. This is the heavier one that offers more diffusion. This is the lighter one with less diffusion. And then it's just simply a matter of just running these around the interior Velcro area and, you know, sticking them in there. That's what it looks like when it's done with this level. This is the higher level. There's the back of it. And it's just a small little softbox. Not bad, right? Grab your LS60X and you'll see that without anything on the front, there's these little clips, and one of them is spring-loaded right here. Slide this in there. Close the clip, and there you go. You've got it on there. Right? Pretty easy. I've got a little V-mount battery. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to clip it on the side. Right? I've got my little springy cable that they send with the LS60X. Powered up. You got a light. Works pretty well, right? You can adjust, as we talked about, power, temperature, all that stuff on the back. It's a small, quick, little softbox with decent softening. I mean, obviously it's a small box, and so you're not going to get a giant diffusion area like you would with a giant parabolic or even a giant umbrella. But in quick run and gun situations for a quick interview, this really works fine. It's certainly portable. It does take a little setup time, as you saw. You got to put it together if you're going to keep it in this case, but Honestly, at this size, you can pretty much just throw this thing in your car and leave it pre-assembled and just carry it in if you don't want to like pack it for an airplane ride or something like that. So it works fine. It's not as big and soft as a giant softbox, but it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be portable, lightweight, and something you can carry around. So really straightforward. If you want to throw a grid on there, you can like have room with this Velcro to Velcro in the grid to do grid stuff. But hey, this is like 60 bucks on Amazon or B&H or wherever. I'll put a link in the description. You can check it out. It's the Aputure LS60 softbox. It works. Works for like quick run and gun stuff. So if you're interested, check it out. See you later.